Good morning. It's Thursday, 19th December 2024, and welcome to today's newspaper headlines. I'm Regina Blessing. I'll be bringing you the latest updates. In today's edition of the Chronicle, Jospon battles top politician sounds coy over acres of land at Boteman. SC throws out anti-LGBTQ cases. Nanachi receive bail. The anchor, Mahama under fire for snubbing women in oral team as Afenyo Macken questions source of funding. Daily Graphic. President can now assent to anti-gay bill. Supreme Court dismisses 2 suits. The new crusading guide. Supreme Court throws out anti-gay suit. The Daily Dispatch. Who are likely to be in Mahama's list of 60 ministers?